Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on SIBONGILE and the DLAMINIS on Monday, Kwenzo and Nomalanga tell Peteni about what happened to the baby. When Temba finds Nomfundo crying, he immediately thinks the DLAMINIS are to blame. WEWE finally does her music video shoot for Star. On Tuesday, Nomalanga and Kwenzo look for support after the family discover the baby is gone, when Zeni grows jealous of Temba's endless achievements. On Wednesday, Kwenzo discovers Nomalanga has been lying to him all along. DELIWE is exposed and she disappears. WEWE is distracted at work and chooses to follow her dancing passion. Thank you for watching.